Okay, hey everybody. BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and today we got a very special song. Michael Lyons and Natasha are gonna sing Fix You by who's that by?
It's by Coldplay.
Oh yeah, by Coldplay. And so this is for everyone who's made a New Year's resolution and they're gonna try to fix something. All right, whenever you're ready.
When you try your best but you don't succeed. When you get what you want but not what you need. When you feel so tired but you can't sleep. Stuck in reverse. When the tears come streaming down your face, 'cause you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste, what could be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you. But high above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, but you'll never try, you'll never know just what you're worth. Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones, and I will try to fix you.
And you have been watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and the song today was beautifully sung by Natasha and Michael Lyons. Oh wow, you guys did a great job. Hey, thanks a lot. Alright, well with that I just want to say I will see you again. Giga Waba Min, Minowa. Oh. Alright, how you feeling there, Paul? Oh, I feel like a new man. Oh, that's great.